So my name is Edward Anastaskis. I'm the CEO of Heratech 8. We are a robotics company, a robotics startup based at Cranfield University, and we develop automated drone technology in order to deliver pilotless operations. AiResponse is a demonstrator project that will showcase how drones can be utilized to streamline intra-site medical logistics within a hospital constraints.
My name is Ivan Petrunin. I'm lecturing in digital signal processing for autonomous systems, and in AiResponse project I'm leading technical work from Cranfield site, where we develop simulation in order to evaluate safety of drone operations for medical deliveries. In AiResponse project we aim to create a first in the UK set of operation procedures for hospital staff to work with drone deliveries and being able to handle them without support of the technical staff, and also to evaluate safety of these operations through simulation and perform demonstration flights showing how the drones can be implemented in routine hospital workload.
I'm Max Lutkin. I'm the product design engineer at Intelsius, and Intelsius are primarily responsible for the design and manufacture of the sample transport packaging used for the AiResponse project. So here on site today we have come to test out act out the whole scenario, if you like, of the process which AiResponse is all about. So we've done several test flights and sort of the booking, the ordering of sort of a healthcare professional ordering a sort of a sample kit, that kit being applied to the drone, mounted to the drone, and then we've gone through this sort of the process of having the drone take off, it landing at a site elsewhere, and that drone coming in for land, and the healthcare professional retrieving the package as well.
So we have pulled engineering requirements directly from the NHS Trust hospitals in order to develop, design, and today implement this conceptual delivery mechanism. So the idea is effectively to distribute our automated drone stations around a hospital ground, where they will effectively act as drone package collection points. Using an app, medical personnel can request and schedule drone shuttle services between our automated drone stations in order to quickly, rapidly deliver products from A to B and back again. This will free up a lot of time, this will reduce a lot of the internal costs, and hopefully this is really going to allow medical personnel to focus on what they do best.
The beneficiaries of this project will be hospitals across UK, and also patients who might benefit from timely delivery of urgent medical supplies, especially in the current COVID environment, where drone deliveries are aiming to minimize risks of viral contamination and minimize risk for health for both patients and hospital personnel.